I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an install video of this 5x5 HD lace closure wig from UNice hair. And y'all, this wig is the easiest wig to install I have ever tried in my life. So UNice did send me this wig to try for you all on my channel. And I'm going to link this wig in the description box, but y'all, I am shook. I'm gonna let y'all see the unboxing for yourself, but I am really shook because all I did was just slap this wig on. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here is the wig, and it is advertised as a wear and go wig, so I will not be originally plucking the hairline or bleaching the knots, doing anything extra. This should be a super easy wig to put on. So we're gonna see how much work this wig actually needs, or if it needs any at all. Like you see, I haven't even broken the seal yet. So we are doing all of this together. Let's see what this wig looks like. This box is a little heavy. It is like a nice quality box. Let me show you all what all comes in here. So you get a little, this bag is really pretty. You get a little pink satin bag and then a bag of treats. Okay, hold up now. I can kind of see the wig, and y'all, it really does look good. It really does look good, but hold on. We're gonna get to that. So I'm actually really surprised. Like, what? So you get a wig cap, an HD wig cap. So this wig is actually also advertised as HD. We are really going to dive into this wig. But looking at it through this plastic, it's looking kind of good. So here is a band you can use when you are tying the wig, securing it down. Has some lashes. These are actually mink lashes. Okay, I see you. And what is this? I ain't never seen one of these before. What is this? Oh, a makeup brush. Okay, that's fun. I've never gotten one of those from a hair company, so that is pretty interesting. But y'all, so let me show y'all what I'm seeing down here while I was like, wait, hold on. So look, this is the wig in the box. Like, I haven't moved it, I haven't taken it out, but look at that. Like, you really don't need to bleach the knots because it's already done. Hold up now. Oh, okay, it's something else in here. Okay, what are these, like sticky notes? Came with sticky notes, another wig cap, and let me show you all what, I don't know what this is. It's pretty heavy. Looks like a blanket or something. Oh, this is a robe, okay. Oh, this is for me? Okay, we'll put this on. Okay. I feel so luxurious. Okay, so here is the wig. Let me actually take it out so we can actually look at this together, because that is wild. I've never seen the wig look like this, honey. Not straight out of the gate. Like, it is already plucked. Okay, so it is a 5x5, I believe, but look at that lace. Look, this is the wig straight out of the package. Y'all see, I literally just took it out. That is really insane. Okay, that is cool, and it's already plucked. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting to have to do a little plucking myself, but I may not have to. This is really good. They did a really good job. The lace is super thin, fine. It's considered HD lace, so we'll see when I actually put it on. That's when I can really tell how good the lace is, when I actually put it on. It does have a comb right there, a comb right there, and a comb in the back, and an elastic band so you can make it tighter and actually make the gluelessness give. But I am shook by this wig. Oh wait, I haven't even shown you all the actual wig itself. I'm over here talking about everything but the actual hair on the wig. So here's the wig. It is super thick, super thick. She's super thick, super pretty. She is very thick. So I am excited. But y'all, what the heck? I was not expecting the wig to look like this out of the package. This is better than some of my plucking. So this is insane. That's really cool. It's a lot better than the way I pluck wigs. So So yeah, it is really, really thick. A nice body wave wig, thick to the ends. It being actually ready to go just has me shook. I was not expecting that. I was expecting to have to do some work, y'all. So that is super cool. But I know y'all are like, Brittany, put on the wig. So okay, I'm gonna put it on. I burnt my forehead a little bit, so hold on. Let me go off camera to actually slide the wig on my head, or I'm gonna bend down, okay? I'm gonna do this down here. This wig, oh, I have it all the way on the wrong side. Okay. Okay. Straight on, straight on. It looks really pretty. Oh, you know what? I should have added a little lace tint just to make sure it really blends in with my skin tone. So hold on, I'm gonna take it off. So I am going to add a little lace tint to the lace because I am a brown skin girly, so we need the lace just a little darker. So I am using the color medium brown in lace tint. Let me just spray this on here real quick. And this is gonna make the wig eat even more. Like you all see how that changed the color of the part to be a little more like my actual skin tone. Like that looks really pretty. Okay, now that looks really pretty. That is very, very pretty. So yeah, this is really cool. I know so many companies claim to be like, oh, you just put it on and go, but I always bleach the knots and pluck the hairline at least, or pluck it just a little bit. But this one, y'all see, I just took it straight out of the box and it was good to go. Like, okay, it is eating. But of course I'm gonna mold this hair down a little bit, but I am loving the thickness, how wavy it is, like it is really giving. So I'm just going in with a little mousse so the hair can sit down. You really don't need baby hair with this wig, but I might add baby hair just to add a little fun, add a little spice. Another thing, you guys, another thing, I don't even need makeup on this part. Like, look how it's just straight up eating, straight out the package. Okay, that makes me want to pluck my wigs better because that was really good. Like so many brands will say, oh, this wig is already bleached. The knots are already bleached. But I've never experienced the knots actually being bleached. Like that's actually wild to me. I've never experienced that. And I mean, I haven't tried UNice in years. Like it's been maybe like, let's say at least, because I don't want to overestimate, at least 3 years. So this is really nice and pretty. Okay, I love it. Let me pull it down a little more because I like my forehead to be just a little bit smaller than it actually is. But yeah, this is how it looks. Very cute, very cute. I am extremely impressed with how this hair looks right out of the package. Like I would literally just go on a date like this. Like I just slipped this wig on. Like, wow, that is really insane. I can't believe that. That's really cool. Oh, and y'all, I do have a big head, so this wig is big head friendly. If it works for me, you guys, don't worry, it will work for the big head girlies. But I just cannot believe that. Wow. But yeah, I just cannot believe this, you guys. I am actually very impressed. I was not expecting that at all. I was not. But yeah, you guys, I am just really surprised with this wig. I really am. But I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.